Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine and I already did the video for CVS that have all those great deals. So this one is a different video. I really wanted to share a challenge. That way you guys spend less out of pocket, remain on a budget, and you grow your pantry, or in this case, your stockpile. So let's just get started. But before we get started, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and getting ready for CVS. So I hope you guys like this type of video. That is a challenge. That way you spend less out of pocket. Is something that I kind of like talked about in a video because I noticed that I was spending too much, and I want to really stay in a budget. So on this video, I normally just do one. I share one haul or haul idea, but in this one I'm going to share two. I'm going to share one that you're going to pay $17 out of pocket or $20 out of pocket. One of those totals will come out to 41 cents for everything, while the other one might be around $10. And I wanted to include a deal that also have like some type of groceries. And as you in this picture, you see Volvita and DiGiorno, since they're in a good price. So this is for the CVS ad for January 12th to the 18th. And there's going to be a printable list that's going to include both of these challenges. So remember, there's two different challenges, and it's going to be as low as 41 cents depending which one you do choose, and the other one is going to be around $10 total. But I think it's a great deal since most of them might be almost $100. So let's get started, and remember, the list is going to be provided below. This deal we're going to talk about is Garnier fruit teas. This one is 2 for $7, and this one is free and a money maker. So all you have to do is buy 2 for $7. You're going to use the coupon on the retail Menard January 5th, deducting 3, so you'll pay 4. You get 5 at the end of your receipt, making it $1 money maker. So what we're going to do is, because if you don't have any ECBs from previous trip, then you could just start from scratch, and what you're going to do is pay those $4 plus tax. And remember, at the end of the receipt, you're going to be getting 5 ECB, which we're going to be using on our next transaction. So the next deal we're going to do is the Tide and Pantene, the mix and match, spend 20 get 5. And what we're going to do is buy one of the Tide pods, one of the Tide liquid, and 3 of the Pantene, 3 for $12. So your total is $22.88. We're going to be using some digital coupons, the Tide and the Tide pod and liquid. There's $2 each. You should select those, activate those in your CVS app. See if you have this CRT deducting 2 of 8 for Tide, or see if you have any other ones that is similar. And then you're going to use 3 off 12 for shampoo. There's going to be a digital coupon for Pantene deducting 5 off 3, and use the CRT, and then activate this in your app. It says app only for CVS, and it's for the Pantene deducting $1. So now your new total is $7.88. You will get back 5, making it $2.88. But in this case, remember, we just got 5 from our previous transaction. So what we're going to do is use those $5. We're going to pay then $2.88 plus tax, and then we're going to get back 5 ECB for this deal idea. So now that we have 5 ECB, let's move on to another deal, and this one is for the Radians Platinum. This one spend 15 get 10, and this one you could just get any one that you do see in the store, but this is just an idea for $14.99. And I really like this deal because I have this CRT. So see if you have a 3 off 15, maybe you have a 4 off 15. So from $14.99, you're going to use that CRT, pay $10.99, and you will get 10, making it 99 cents. But we're going to be using those $5 from the previous transaction from the mix and match. So instead of paying $10.99, we're going to be paying $5.99, and at the end of our receipt, we're going to be getting 10 ECB. So let's continue, and on this deal, we're going to do the Serene Lotion, spend 20 get 10. It's the limit of 1, and we're going to be getting coupons this Sunday. So what you're going to do is buy the healing and the hydration. You just want to make sure you reach $20, so it will be $20.38. If you have any CRTs for lotion, it will be perfect, and use 2 of those coupons expected on the Smart Source for this Sunday, deducting $3 each. So now you will pay $11.38, but you get back 10, making it 69 cents each. But in this case, we're going to be using that 10 ECB that we just got for the Radians Platinum. So instead of paying $11.38, we're going to be paying $1.38 plus tax, and we're going to be getting back those 10 ECB for this deal. So the next deal we're gonna do is a Physicians Formula. I'm loving this deal. This one is buy 2 get 10. And also, as you see here, just make sure you scan your card in the red box machine so you can get an extra care coupon in the extra care coupon center, deducting for off Physicians. So here's a good deal idea: buy 2 of the coconut milk eye makeup remover for $7.49 each. So now your new total is $14.98. Use that CRT and pay $10.98, get back 10 ECB, making it 49 cents each. But guys, here's a tip: if you have a CRT also for cosmetics, deducting 3 of 12, then this will be free and a money maker. So just giving you a heads up in case you do have that CRT too. But if not, in the meantime, 49 cents each is a pretty good deal. So then you're gonna use 10, and instead of paying the $10.98, we're gonna use those 10 that we just got in the previous transaction from the Serene Lotion, and now you're gonna pay $98 plus tax, and you're gonna get 10 for this Physicians Formula deal idea. So then we're gonna continue with our haul, and the next deal we're gonna do is the Crest. This one is also an easy one. It's a freebie. It's on $3, and we just select activate your digital coupon from your CVS app. So that way all you need is a digital coupon. So you're gonna get one of ProHealth for $3. Use that digital coupon. You will pay 2, but you'll get back 2, making it free. With this one, we're just gonna continue with the transaction since the previous ECB was $10 for Physicians Formula. So we just don't want to waste it on just $2. So just pay 2. Just continue with the transactions because we're just gonna do different deals on one transaction, so you could use that 10 ECB. But keep in mind, we just got 2 ECB for this. We're gonna get 2 ECB for this deal. The next deal we're gonna do is the Journal 2 for 10, and this one is for the 12-inch pizza. We're gonna buy 2 for 10. We're gonna use 2 coupons, deducting $1.50 each. And if you have a CRT for food, it will be perfect. So that way you will just pay 4. And we're not going to get any ECB. But remember, we're going to continue with this transaction because now we have 4, and we had 2 from this one. So far we have $6, and we want to use those 10 ECB. So we're going to continue with this transaction. So the next thing we're going to get is a Velveeta breakfast. These are the biscuits, 2 for 6. And there is a coupon in the Smart Stores coming this Sunday. There's also, I believe, a printable, and there should be one in the app. So then you will pay 5. So as you can see, now we already reached, and we're able to use those 10 ECB from Physicians Formula. So in this transaction, you're gonna buy 3 products. You're gonna buy the Velveeta, you're gonna buy the Crest, and you're gonna buy the other item that we just mentioned, which is the Journal. So then remember, for this transaction, you're gonna be getting an ECB, and you should be getting back a cashback for Savings Star. So make sure you activate that as well, and you link your card to the Savings Star app. So we're going to use those 10 ECB from Physicians Formula, and once we purchase those 3 different deals, we're going to pay just $1 plus tax. We're going to be getting that 1 ECB and the 2 ECB for Crest, and we're going to be getting that $1 from Savings Star. So this completes our $20 or less challenge. This one was a $17 challenge. So what did we buy? Everything you see in the picture here. It was $99.23, and in credit, which means coupons and CRTs, it deducted $43. We used $39 worth of ECBs, and our total was $17.23. So this was a $17 challenge. So what does it remains? We remain at $3 in ECB. We have $2 for the Crest and $1 for the Velveeta. In beauty, we earn $3 since we passed $30. Savings Star, we should be getting $1 cash back, making our final total $10.23 for everything you see here, which is crazy because we started for almost $100. Just $10 total is a great deal. But if you want to do something different and you don't want to include the Journal or the Velveeta, I have another deal idea. We're gonna do almost the same thing we just did. We're gonna buy the Garnier, the Thai and Pantene, the Radians Platinum, the Serene Lotion, Physicians Formula, and the Crest. But instead of just doing the Crest, and remember we did the Velveeta and we did the Journal, in this case what we're gonna do is buy the All-Mate Makeup Remover. So we're gonna buy the All-Mate Makeup Removers with the Crest, So what we're gonna do is buy 2 for $6.59. That will be $13.18. We're gonna use a coupon deducting 3, and that's the CRT that is printing for everybody on Sunday. So now you will pay $5.18. You will get back 4 ECB, making it $1.18. So we're gonna use 4 ECB from a previous transaction, and we're gonna pay $3.18 plus tax, and we're gonna get 4 ECB. So for this haul is similar. The only thing we did was just after the crest, we just did the Almay makeup remover. So our every item that we purchased was $96.41. In credit was $44. ECBs we used was $32, and we ended up paying $20 out of pocket. So in this challenge we paid a little bit more, but we use less ECB. So we have now $14 in ECB that we could use for our next transaction or our next haul. And in beauty we got $6 because we did pass $60 in beauty, making our final price 41 cents. So everything in this haul, not including the journal, and adding the Almay from $96, it would have been $96. It will come out to just 41 cents, and the only thing we paid out of pocket was just $20 plus tax. So what a great 2 different challenges to do. These are just new ideas, guys. You could just do them in different orders, or you could just buy different products depending also on the coupons and CRTs you do have. It's just an idea to help you see that you could do a haul that is almost $100 for a little as 41 cents, and just really paying just $20 out of pocket plus tax. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this challenge, and it's something that I wanted to do. I wanted to introduce to make sure that we do grow our stockpile, but we don't hurt our budget. I was spending so much out of pocket every time, and I really want to stay in a budget that I use $20 or less when I go couponing at CVS. So guys, if you really like this video, you could just give it a thumbs up. I know for the last deal idea I went a little quick, but I have that printable list which is going to include both. That way you could just follow along and see which one will work for you. Just get your coupons together and see which CRT you do have. Also, I did the best deal idea. There's so many great deals for CVS for this ad that starts January 12th. You could check it out here if you would like to. So thank you guys for watching this video. Any printables are going to be also included below, and until the next video, bye.